I need to make something for my teacher, Mr. Crosby. Maybe something simple, delicious, but it has to be healthy.
Maybe something.
No, Mohammed. Show me it later, please. Maybe like a quick snack. No, Mohammed. Oh, like I don't have time to look at your police car. Maybe like a really good appetizer. No, Mohammed. Okay, make it quick. Why didn't you show me that an hour ago?
You were busy typing.
Oh, okay. So what are we gonna do about the kids?
I got you covered.
That's a relief. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I am Mohammed.
And she is Honey. Welcome to our show, Simple,
Delicious,
and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started. Please wash your hands. Ingredients are tomatoes.
We are using tomatoes at room temperature.
Refrigerated tomatoes can lose their flavor and nutrients.
Crackers.
You can serve it with crackers.
Basil. Mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella, salt and water.
Balsamic vinegar.
Non-alcoholic balsamic vinegar.
Salt and pepper.
Pink Himalayan salt and ground pepper.
Olive oil.
It's best to buy extra virgin cold pressed olive oil in a dark container. Light and oxygen have an impact on the taste and nutrients. Therefore, never leave it uncovered or purchase it in a light container.
For the vinegar balsamic, we are going to pour 1 to 3 tablespoons in a pot and boil over high until it starts to evaporate, thicken, and it coats the back of a spoon. This will make it sweet and syrupy.
And now to the enlightenment board. It's a great appetizer.
Looks nice and elegant.
Super easy to make.
String cheese is a favorite among kids and adults, so this would be a great idea.
You may not be a fan of the smell of reduced vinegar, but you can't deny the delicious sweetness it adds to the dish. Bismillah.
There is no reason why you shouldn't have this on your dinner table tonight.
Everybody nowadays wants to eat healthy. This is unique yet
I like
simple.
healthy.
Me too. It's very good.
Want my name?
Yes. No good.
Let us know what you would like us to make in our next video.
This is great for all occasions. Holidays, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, unexpected guests, before school, after school, to school. You get my point. This is great for everything. This week's shout out goes to... Thank you for tagging us on Instagram and sharing one of our recipes that you made. Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SCH squad today. Subscribe, like, and share to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, friends, and neighbors.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag us on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
And as always, simple, delicious,
And healthy! Welcome to our show, Simple! Oh yeah.
Laughing.
What was it? Sorry.
my
I need to make something for my...
Balsamic vinegar.
It's best to buy cold pressed extra virgin. Everybody nowadays wants to eat healthy. This is unique yet simple.
I look at ice too much.
Want to bite, please?
This is great for all occasions, holidays, birthdays. This week's shout out goes to... Thank you for making tagging.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Welcome to the